Friends, today I'm going to show you an absolutely stunning house design that you've probably never seen before. This is a hyper-realistic, modern architectural masterpiece, and its entire exterior is covered with pure, crisp, bright white marble. There is no other color used anywhere, only premium white marble combined with an elegant lighting design that makes the house look magazine quality under bright daylight. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your one like helps our channel grow and motivates us to bring you more beautiful designs and high-quality videos like this. And don't be stingy with the likes. It's free and doesn't cost you anything. Just tap like and leave a small comment, even if it's just good or whatever you feel like. Thank you.